Students, this question was asked in the year 2012 in NEET exam from chapter 4, that is laws of motion, of class 11. A stone is dropped from a height h, students. It hits the ground with a certain momentum p. If the same stone is dropped from a height 100% more than the previous height, the momentum when it hits the ground will change by how much percentage, student? We have to find out. What is given, student? The height is given h and the momentum is given p. There are two situations, students. First, when the height is h, the momentum is p. Then what happens? The height is increases by 100%. So, student, that means height here becomes in the second situation how much? That becomes 2h. Okay, students. And what is the change in momentum? We have to find out. What is the formula for momentum, student? You know, momentum P is the, what is momentum? Momentum is the quantity of motion contained in a body, students, and that is equal to mathematically mv. We have studied. So, student, let the mass of the stone be m. It is not given, so let us assume that's the m. And what is v? It is dropped from a height of h, student. So when a stone is dropped or a body is dropped, student, that means it is a free fall. And we know the correct equation of motion for this situation is v square is equal to a square plus 2s, and this is a free fall. So, student, this becomes u becomes 0, and this a becomes acceleration, becomes the acceleration due to gravity, that is g, student. And this s becomes h. So, student, v square is equal to 2gh and v is equal to root over 2gh, which is the first case. So, we may write p1 is equal to mv1 is equal to m root over 2gh. But in the second case, this is v1, student. And what will be v2? When the height becomes 2h, 100% more means 2h. This v2 becomes, student, 2g into h will be 2h. Okay, student. So this will be, if this may be taken as this is the 1 2, if it is taken, student, 2gh, what is root over 2gh? That is v1. So we may write this as root 2 v1. Here p2 will be then, student, what? M into this is mv1 and this is root 2 mv1. Okay, student. So, student, what is the change in momentum? P2 is this much, P1 is this much. So, the change will be delta P will be equal to, in percentage, this will be equal to P2 minus P1 by P1 into 100%, student. And what is this? P2 minus P1 means this is root 2 V1 minus this is V1, student. Okay, by this is P1. So this is mv1, student, and this is root 2 mv1. P2 is equal to root 2 mv1. This is root 2 mv1 and this is mv1. So, student, this becomes root 2 minus 1 into mv1 by mv1 into 100% is there, student. This 100%. So, this is into 100%, and this root 2 means 1.414 minus 1, and this mv1 cancels out, student, and this is into 100% means 1.414 minus 1 means, student, means 0.414 into 100%, that means 41.4%. What is it, student? Here it is given 41%. So, although it is 41.4%, the nearest option is 41%. So, option B is correct, students, for this question.